Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share with you the ISOtunes Xtra 2.0 earphones. Now, even though I don't use these for work, I've really been enjoying these earphones. First, they are very comfortable and adaptable. They have two different ear tips, one regular and one foam tip. You also get 3 different sizes of each, so it's very customizable to your ear. I also love that there are magnets on the earbuds that can keep it secure around your neck while you aren't using them, and they can even, when pressed together, end your calls. These are supposed to have an 11-hour battery life, and I can attest to that. So if you are using these for work, they will definitely last a typical 8 to 10 hour shift. Now, the most important thing about these earphones is that they are OSHA compliant. So you can use these earphones as ear protection when you are doing work at a construction site, when you are woodworking, or if you work at a factory. I have even tried these earbuds during my spin classes where the volume can get to about 90 to 100 decibels. So wearing these has helped protect my ears while I'm taking the class. So I highly recommend these. Now you know, try them for yourself. And that is my point of view.